Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and actually Sophia just contacted me and she asked if I want to join her 28-day cleaning routine challenge. So today is February 1st. It is about 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I said, why not? I think a lot of you like cleaning videos, decluttering videos, and if you had seen our collab before, Sophia had hosted the 30 bags in 30 days, which some of us ladies had joined her on that one. I think that was like a couple of years ago, and ever since then I have been friends with Sophia, and I couldn't pass this challenge up. I mean, I clean every day anyway. The only thing is that I do not do the Flylady. I have seen her Flylady videos and her routines, and she gave me the weeks and the areas that she's going to be focusing on. But since it's 9 o'clock and I was just asked about doing this, I want to make sure that I got a video up on the first day of this challenge. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and do my dinner dishes and kind of put things away for tonight. I'm going to shine my sink. That is one thing that Sophia got me to do now. And so, and I figure, why not? I'm going to go ahead and take my camera out and film this with you. How about that on the fly, lady? I just look a mess because I wasn't planning on filming whatsoever, you guys. I needed one of those no makeup kind of days. Talk about an impromptu video right here. This is it. I have no makeup on today. It was just one of those days. I was trying to catch up on things around the house. And for those of you who are just tuning in on my channel, welcome. And for those of you who follow me, I guess we're gonna have some fun this month. So let's clean. So I already loaded the dishwasher before I even started this challenge, so all I had to do is just turn it on. That's it. See, start. got a shiny sink, and can't forget, there's soap. This one here is Bath & Body Works Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I just love these hand soaps. This one is Kitchen Lemon with coconut oil. There we go. It's a little bit after 9:45. Not a deep clean, but just wiped it down. Kitchen counter is now all wiped and ready for tomorrow. Well, that's a wrap for day 1 of this 28-day cleaning routine challenge with Sophia from My Great Challenge. Go check out her video. And yeah, that's a wrap for day 1 on the fly. Get it? On the fly, Sophia? Just kidding. If you're new, I would love it if you click that subscribe button. I normally don't look like such a mess. So much for not filming today. See, Sophia, that's what you get us all doing. You start inspiring us and motivating us just to clean and declutter. You got me again. Thank you for asking me to join you with this. And yeah, so let's do this. I will see you guys tomorrow on day 2. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, and give me a thumbs up for even taking on this challenge.